Hello, my lady and gentlemen. We are back after a long hiatus. I know. I missed you guys too. All two of you. But we're here together now. And we got some new content. So what are we doing today? We're doing some grounding. Now, some of you might be asking, grounding, who gives a shit? Well, turns out dozens of us care. Okay? I'm going to tell you why. At least why I care. So, if you bought one of these babies, you've probably noticed the power cord only has 2 prongs. What does this mean? That means the ground ain't going out with the power cord. Where does it go? It's got to go somewhere. So it's got to go somewhere in here, right? Right. Why is that a problem? My mixer also has the 2-prong power cord, meaning it's also internally grounded. So my mixer thinks 0 volts is here. My turntable thinks 0 volts is here. So that's close, but that's not the same. So what happens when you connect 2 devices with different electric potentials? Electricity, my friend, electricity. So we get some current flow. And in an audio device, usually this ends up turning into some nasty hum. So thankfully in this video, I remembered to record my hum before I did any sort of surgery here, so we can have a nice before and after comparison. But if the after comparison is worse, I'm not going to be posting the video. Anyways, let's dive in. Alright, boys and girl, we're in. Now, if you direct your attention to the big-ass spring at the center of your screen, you'll notice something interesting. So we've got black wires coming from pretty much every major component on the board. They're all run into that spring. We've got one from here, this big-ass transistor. We got one from here, the center spindle, and we got one from the cartridge over here. So this is kind of an important spot. So we got all the grounds running into this spring, and that spring touches this big-ass hunk of metal at the bottom. I mean, this thing is chunky. It's about 10 pounds, real beefy. So the plan is we're not going to use that spring anymore. Instead, we want to run all these grounds to the same panel, this one here. So ideally, I have a screw here running through the back, through the ground cable, through this, essentially. I would like to just put a screw through that, through the back of this, and then I can attach something to the outside to hook this up to the mixer. So, in order to make that happen, I'm going to have to chop this off, because that's going to be in the way of all the ground wire stuff. But then, I need a new way to keep the panel from falling out, so thankfully, I've got a little something that some people like to call an idea. So sit tight, relax, and let me fab something up. Alright guys, so this is what I came up with. So I fabbed up these little wing pieces here, and then I cannibalized a couple more nuts off another couple of RCA jacks I had. Now, oh yeah, I also chop that out. So now, look at that, like a glove. Now give me a second and I'll show you with the ground wire hooked up. Alright guys, so here's a look at all the grounds hooked up to the panel. So I did not have to lengthen any of the ground wires. This one right here I was afraid of, but I just relocated from there to there and relocated that one from there to there. So now I think everything should reach, and I've also got the outer ground cable hooked up. This is the one that'll go to the mixer. So I think all that's left at this point is to put her back together and give it a final test. Let's do it. Alright, and here's a shot of everything hooked up. So here is the work we did. You can see the little ground cable in the middle there, which goes over the mixer here to this thumb screw right here. So pretty slick. Now I did just test this mod and holy hell did it work. So let me play that now. Well folks, I am flabbergasted. I never could have predicted these results. I was expecting an improvement, but this is just insane. This mod is amazing, and I think everyone should do it. So, if you like what you've seen, obliterate that like and subscribe button, and maybe that'll motivate me to make some more videos. Well, that's all folks. Bye-bye.